Oh, I feel nice. I feel good. So, a lot to change within myself and the team. So, thinking bigger. So, I think I'm gonna expect a lot of change. Servant leadership is no secret, I would say, right now. It's been practiced for last many years. Okay,
Absolutely.
so it's not new to me, specific to me. But yes, the practicing part of it is really important, and it's transformed the way a leader should be. Okay, so it's an entire journey which we learned also in this last 2 days. So I think it's more of how do you practice and implement for a better good, whether it's for an individual, whether it's for your own self, or for the organization, or I would say even for the community.
Wonderful.
Yes, it will work, and it should be like that. I'll tell you why. Because in last two session days we learned a lot of frameworks wherein if you start about the behaviors and attributes. So once you have change in behaviors, it will lead to more engaged people, engaged team members, employees. That will increase the productivity, right? You create a happy environment or a workplace which will enable them, motivate them to do better for themselves, for the team, and for the organization, as I said. So obviously, it will have an impact on operations effectiveness, efficiencies, and also reaching to our vision that we have of transforming lives and towards making more revenues. And so I think it has a business impact as well. Absolutely. I believe in servant leadership, so I will encourage my team members, not in the organization but outside it. So just to tell you, I was talking to my brother last night. Okay, so I spoke
Wow.
about it. He's in a company, I do not name it, but he really liked it, and I think they're gonna also. So he was curious to know more about servant leadership program. So he's gonna. So I'm not limiting to my team, my organization, but will go beyond in my connects, whomsoever I talk about it, to be a better leader, like a servant leader.